Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a subscription unboxing from Sips By. This is the January box. This is a monthly tea subscription. It's $15 a month with free shipping to the US. And it comes with this card that lists all the teas on the back. So I'm going to set that aside for a moment and take a look at what's inside. They do always send you a little package of the reusable muslin cloth tea bags. So these are disposable. So if you have loose leaf tea in here, you can put them in these little bags and then toss them when you're done. So that's really nice. So the first tea we have is organic Rooibos, I think maybe is how you say it. This is caffeine free. And there's going to be a couple of those in here. We have 4 of those. Also have a Wandering Lemurian Herbs Healing Blend. It does show peppermint leaf, licorice root, elderflower, and ginger. I love licorice, so I'm hoping you're able to really taste that in the tea. So that is loose leaf tea. Then we have a couple from Choice Organic Teas. This is Organic Immunity Support Shiitake Turmeric, a whole body balancing blend of mushrooms and herbs. Very interesting. I have never heard of mushrooms mixed with tea, so excited to try that one. And it is organic and caffeine free. And then we have Live Life and Flavor. There's a couple packages of this tea. It says a burst of warming organic cinnamon, cardamom, and ginger. So that, and last but not least, we have strawberry Cosmo. This is green tea, papaya, and strawberry pieces. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Caffeine content is low. So inside the box, there's a little package of the loose leaf tea. Very cool. So like I said, this is only $15 a month, so very affordable, especially if you're a tea lover. I will go ahead and leave all the information below in case you're interested. And thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.